Hello, Jordan. This will be some video feedback for you on the web banner. If you have any questions in the next couple of weeks, don't hesitate to reach out. Jordan, this was a nicely packaged submission. I see that you've got the process screenshots nicely compiled in a single PDF. Thank you. It makes it a lot easier. Now, this will become part of your reflection document at the end of the semester. You don't need to use all of them, but maybe just the highlights of your technical process. And I'm going to open up your PDF. Yeah, that was. Take a look at some of the other critiques in the discussion board. It looks like your file is nicely structured. I can see. Let me back it up here and play the animation. So you've got this blinking. One comment I would make, right off the bat is that I don't think you need to outline a lot of these things. It gets a little overwhelming, I think, especially around the script. Try to use color, contrasted color, alone to distinguish the type from the background. This, it's simple, it's adequate. You have all the information towards the bottom here too. It's generally assumed that by clicking on an ad, you will be taken to the website. So I would say the URL is optional. But I like the typography here. Setting it in all caps gives it a very clean, linear look. You've got the ingredients. I would say, perhaps play with them a little bit. It's not too difficult to slide them around. But really, it's very competent. One other thing I would suggest is take a look at travel advertising for the web and see if you can get any hints from that. There is this idea of tweening, which it looks like you've got. You have these individual frames set to 0 seconds. What happens, you could play around with the timing. What happens if you make that just a bit longer? And you can do that just by selecting them all and changing it to, let's see if we make it ½ a second. See how all these change? Let's see what that does. It'll only be apparent for a little while. Well, you get the idea. That's called tweening. You can get smoother transitions, which you might consider. Good job.